English language. How to use capitals.
Hi kids, good morning. It's China teacher here. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Kids, I know you all are very good children. What you know why? Because of your good habits and good manners.
Then, kids, shall we see what are the good habits that you are doing daily? Yes, let's see what are the good habits that you are doing in day-to-day life. To start the day, get up early in the morning, brush your teeth twice a day, worship your parents, doing your studies, complete your homework, tidy up and clean up your stuff and keep it in the proper place. After removing your shoes, keep it together in a proper place. Wash your hands always. When you wash, use a soap or a hand wash to wash your hands properly. Bathing daily. Eat healthy food. Children, you must eat more fresh vegetables and fruits to become healthy. Drink lot of water. Worship to Lord Buddha. Pray for God. Children, you must worship to Lord Buddha or pray for God daily. Get lots of blessings and prosperity. At the end of the day, go to sleep early. So children, I hope you all are doing these good habits in your day-to-day life. Alright children, let's start today's lesson. How to use capital letters. Now kids, we have already learned about all the capitals and symbols of the alphabet. In this picture, you can see A to Z, both capitals and symbols of the alphabet. In here, I would like to remind you there are few letters, both capital and symbol are similar each other, but they are different in the size. Here you can see them. Letter C, letter O, letter P, letter S, letter V, letter W, letter X, and letter Z. These letters, both capital and symbol, are similar each other, but they are different in the size. So remember kids, when you write capitals of these letters, you must write capitals bigger than the simple letter. Okay, here you can see A to Z capital letters of the alphabet. Now, today we are going to learn how to use these capital letters. When we use these capital letters, where we should use these capital letters. Let's see. Children, have you ever noticed that in a book, when you turn into pages, you can see there are so many simple letters in it. Every English newspaper, magazine, storybook, or even your textbook, you can go through it carefully and see there are so many letters written with simple letters. Now here I have given you two examples. In these pages even, go through it carefully and see, you can see there are many simple letters. But in few places, here they have used capital letters. Now in this lesson today, you are going to get a brief idea about when you use capital letters. When do we use capital letters? Capital letters in the right places can make your writing easier to read and understand. Children, let's learn when we use capital letters. What are the places that we use capital letters? We use capital letters for the names. Now this fact you already know. When you write your name, you should write the very first letter in capital. Here I have given you some names: Amal, Nayana, Sunil, Keshi, Matthew, Gina. Here you can see in each name the very first letter in capital. The beginning letter of this name is in capital and that is in red. Now for example here, when we take Amal, the proper way is you should write the very first letter in capital. That is correct, Amal. But if you write Amal with a simple A, that is totally wrong. This is wrong. Okay, you can't use the beginning letter simple for the name. And also children, the name of the Buddha and God is always written in capital letter. Alright, the name of the Buddha and God is always written in capital letter. We use capital letters at the beginning of sentences. The first letter of the first word in the sentence is written with a capital letter. Children, here I have given you some examples. There are few simple sentences. Let's see how we use capitals here. First one, my name is Keshi. My name is Keshi. Full stop. This is a very simple sentence and here the beginning letter is written in capital. Capital M is there in red, you can see that. And also for the name Keshi, the K is in capital. That because we have already learned that when we write a name, the beginning letter is written in capital. Alright? So my name is Keshi. In this sentence, letter M and letter K are in capitals. Second one, I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Letter I is in capital. The beginning letter of this sentence is in capital, that is capital I. Okay. Third one, he likes to eat apples. He likes to eat apples. There even you can see children, the beginning letter H is written in capital and all other letters are in simple. Okay? Fourth sentence, she plays with the doll. She plays with the doll. There the beginning letter S is written in capital. Fifth sentence, we love to read books. We love to read books. There even you can see the beginning letter W is written in capital and all other letters are in simple. Alright, children? Then I would like to tell you this. You are really important. So when you write about yourself, then I needs to be a capital letter. That means when you write about myself, we use I. For examples, I am 6 years old. I like to drink milk. I have a brother and a sister. I love to play with my friends. I want to be a doctor one day. So there, I needs to be a capital letter. Alright, children, keep it in your mind. We use capital letters for days of the week and months of the year. Children, what are the days of the week? There are 7 days. Please repeat with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now did you see, children? When we write days of the week, we should write the very first letter in capital. For examples, Monday, Friday. Monday, we written in capital M. Friday, we written here in capital F. Right? So when you write days of the week, you should write the very first letter in capital. Then months of the year. What are the months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months for the year. Now, when we write a month, we should write the very first letter in capital. For example, April, A is in capital. December, D is in capital. In red, you can see here the very first letter of these days and months are written in capital.